In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new deal in your HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. First, let's get started by visiting the HubSpot website. If you're not sure of the URL, simply type HubSpot in your search engine and you'll find it easily. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. You should see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your login details, but here's a tip to streamline the process. Click on Sign In with Google. If you're already logged into your Google account, it should pull up your account information. Simply select your account to proceed. After you're signed in, navigate to your CRM. A quick way to do this is by clicking the CRM link, which you can often find in the navigation bar at the top of the web page. Once you're in the CRM interface, look for the option labeled Deals on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will bring you to the Deals section where you can manage all your existing deals. Now you're ready to create a new deal. Look to the top right corner of the page and you'll see a button labeled Create Deal. Click on this button and a form will appear guiding you through the deal creation process. The first step here is to name your deal. Choose a name that clearly identifies what this deal is about. It's important to be specific, as a good deal name makes it easier to track and manage your sales pipeline later on. Next, you'll be asked to choose the appropriate pipeline for your deal. Pipelines help organize your deals according to your sales process. Take a moment to select the one that matches the nature of your deal. After that, select the deal stage. This lets your team know where the deal currently stands within the sales cycle. Accurate categorization at this stage keeps your workflow smooth and ensures everyone's on the same page. After choosing the deal stage, you'll fill in other essential details, such as the deal's value, close date, and any other custom properties your organization uses. These additional details will help provide more context and insights for anyone involved in handling the deal. Lastly, once you've completed filling out all the required fields, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Create. This action will save your new deal in the system. And there you have it, a new deal created in HubSpot CRM, ready to be tracked and managed as it progresses through the sales pipeline. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your experience with HubSpot.